Hello again, it's Noob, and I've got this wonderful pick case to show off to you today. This was just sent to me as a gift from Rev, who you may know as a superlative lockpick maker. And Rev is now, he's turned his hand to Leathercraft, and he's on Instagram, not a sponsored link in any way, under 3 dots Leathercraft. And Rev sent me this really beautiful handmade pick case, which I just think is a really wonderful gift. So thank you so much. Like I said, this is just a gift. It's not sponsored. It wasn't sent for my review or anything like that. But I will show you a couple of images of the kind of things that Rev is up to these days. I've always wanted to try my hand at Leathercraft. Maybe one day I too will have a go at this. But yeah, what a really lovely pick case. It's made with very soft feeling leather. Like this is very soft to the touch and beautifully stitched. I love my logo on here. That's really nicely done. It looks like it might have been, is that lasered on? I don't know. I don't know much about working leather other than the fact that it's just so tactile and smells so nice. It's got 2 pockets in here. It's got a nice little push button clip, stud clip. I don't know, what do you call those? And obviously the 3 dots Leathercraft logo on the back, and this really nice, should we call it a sunburst kind of finish on there. Just really nice. And you might think that because I have so many lockpicks, I don't need any lockpick cases. That couldn't be further from the truth. Case in point, I've had this, I think it's like a reading glasses case for ages, and if I give it a shake, you can hear there's stuff in there. Oh, and that's the problem. Look, I'm storing this set of Barrow's sliver picks and a few other odds and ends in here, but they just don't fit in the case properly. They are too thin, they slide out all the time. Got some SS Dev picks in there and a couple of the, I think, covert instrument decoders and stuff. But I did just need a nice case to store some of these kind of things in. So let's throw these in and see what it looks like. And there you go. Look, I've got all my sliver picks, these 12 thousandths of an inch picks at the top here. I've got all these, I can't remember what that was a turn for, some random lock or another. I've got my SS Dev picks here. I've got my decoders there. This is all just like spare stuff. And you might think that it was a bit of a setup, me like randomly pulling out this terrible glasses case that I used to store some picks, but I promise you I've had this for about 8 years and it's been terrible at its job all that time, and I'm surprised I haven't done anything about it. But there you go. Now I've got a lovely Noob logoed case. A very kind gift indeed. Thank you so much to 3 dots Leathercraft for sending this. I will now throw away this terrible thing, never use it again, and keep all my spare and unusual picks in this beautiful case. So yeah, a nice short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. If you have any comments about this, if you remember any of Rev's picks or are interested in his Leathercraft antics, then do comment down below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.